back and I'm going to show you an amazing effect, and it's called Magic versus Mentalism. And I have here 2 packs of cards. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set one down here, and I'm going to open one up here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you that all the cards are different, just like so. And I'm going to just give the cards a little shuffle. Okay, give them a mix here. Give them a cut. And I'm going to have, at this point you have someone just think of a card. So in this case I'm just going to fan out some cards, and we'll use an example. We'll say we have somebody here thinking of a card. Let's say they thought of this one right here. Okay, so that one happens to be the 8 of Hearts. Okay, but you wouldn't look, you would just fan like this. You then give the cards a shuffle, hand the deck to the spectator, and you have them, you're going to show them the difference between magic and mentalism. See, a magician would have you pick a card, a mentalist would have you just think of one. So they are going to spell out the card that they thought of. So in this example, the 8 of Hearts. So they spell EIGHTOF. 8 of Hearts. Now that's a miracle, but not only that, in this pack of cards right here, I'm going to take that out, and you have them spell it out again. They spell it out again. EIGHTOFHEARTS. Now would that be a miracle if that was the 8 of Hearts? Yes, it is. But not only that, you showed that in your pocket over here, I have a prediction. I have one envelope, written on it, prediction. Inside, I have one piece of paper, and only one piece. And as you can see, and this would be sealed. The 8 of Hearts, the card that you merely thought of. So now